Install pavers using manufacturer's guidelines for bedding, leveling, and installation. Use SRW paver rail edging for perimeter reinforcement. After install, fully clean debris from the surface of the pavers. Next, compact pavers using a rubber-plated compactor or cover the pavers with SS5 fabric to protect the paver surface from damage. Note: pavers must be completely dried before installation of polymeric sand. Wait 24 hours after rain and ensure the temperature stays above 32 degrees Fahrenheit through the installation and curing process. Gently tumble the bag before cutting, then evenly spread the Pavermate Z3 over the paver surface. Using a broom, gently sweep the polymeric sand into the joints until they're completely filled to the full depth of the pavers. Avoid pushing sand over long distances, as this could separate the polymers from the sand. Sweep off excess sand from the paver surface, then using a rubber-plated compactor or SS5 fabric laid over the pavers, gently compact the filled joints. After compaction, if your sand is below 1/4 of an inch from the top of the pavers, reapply sand and compact until the polymeric sand is at least at 1/4 of an inch below the surface. Finish the joints by adding Pavermate Z3 to the joints, sweep off the excess sand, then using a leaf blower on a low setting, set the joint height to 1/8 of an inch below the paver surface. Working in 200 square foot sections or less, gently mist the area using a hose with a sprayer attachment. Change your sprayer to a shower setting and then perform another watering application. Finally, apply a third showering to the surface of the pavers. Using a screwdriver, test for proper moisture depth of 1 to 1.5 inches. If this depth is not achieved, repeat the shower setting. Immediately blow off excess water from the paver surface using a leaf blower. A dry environment is important to allow proper setup of joints. A flexible joint is a sign that it is not yet fully cured. Polymers will continue to cure for 28 days.